Fall in love with this Northside ground floor Progress Park condo. A cool urban architectural vibe built in 2004 and fronting to the Big Dry Creek Trail, only minutes within walking distance of historical downtown Littleton with its awesome restaurants, shops, and theater. With one of the largest outdoor living spaces in the complex, the flagstone patio leaves plenty of room for some outdoor barbecues summer fun. Inside, enjoy an open concept floor plan that has a master bedroom with ensuite bath and an enormous walk-in closet on one side and a secondary bedroom, office, or whiskey room on the other with a Jack and Jill bath. Currently, this room has been used as a whiskey room and includes a bar, refrigerator, and a humidor. The kitchen is open to the living and dining areas and boasts slab granite countertops, a backsplash, undermount sink, under cabinet lighting, and stainless steel appliances, including a glass top range and double oven, a microwave oven, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Dark laminate wood flooring sets off the light gray walls and white trim. There's a beautiful chandelier in the dining room and a stackable washer and dryer in the unit, as well as a separate locking storage unit. There's one deeded parking space right outside the front door. This home is turnkey ready and waiting for you.